Welcome to Review Lab. The best Intex Vacuum is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining a pristine home, offering powerful suction and versatile cleaning capabilities that make tidying up less of a chore and more of a breeze, ensuring every corner of your living space is free from dust, debris, and allergens. Number 5. Intex Deluxe 800 GPH Plus Automatic Pool Skimmer. Tired of leaves and debris cluttering your pool? This automatic skimmer is designed to catch them before they sink, keeping your water crystal clear. Attaching it to your pool's sidewall is a breeze with its adjustable bracket. It then connects to your filter pump for continuous, automatic operation. Constructed from durable, chemical-resistant polypropylene, this skimmer is built for longevity. Its robust design ensures it can handle the demands of pool maintenance. For the best results, ensure your Intex filter pump has a minimum flow rate of 800 gallons per hour. This guarantees seamless compatibility and efficient operation. Cleaning is simple thanks to its easily removable strainer basket. Spend less time maintaining and more time enjoying your pristine pool. Measuring 8.25 L x 9.5 W x 13 H and weighing just 4.57 pounds, it's a compact yet effective addition to your pool care routine. What we like? This skimmer automatically collects leaves and debris before they sink. It easily attaches to your pool's sidewall and filter pump. If you want to spend less time manually scooping and more time enjoying your pool, this is the perfect solution for effortless cleaning. What people say. It is very easy to assemble and use. The vacuum is powerful and picks up debris effectively. It comes with multiple attachments for different cleaning needs. Number 4. Intex Krystal Clear Saltwater Pool Chlorine System. Enjoy the benefits of a saltwater pool with our advanced system. It keeps your above-ground pool sparkling clear and is suitable for pools up to 4,500 gallons. Experience the difference of saltwater. Using just salt, it's inexpensive to maintain and reduces chemical use, providing a safe swimming environment for your family. Our system features an easy-to-use control panel with a built-in 24-hour timer. Choose from 3 self-cleaning modes for automatic operation and effortless scheduling. Just connect it to your filter pump, add salt to the water, and let it do the rest. It works automatically with pumps that have a flow rate between 300 and 1000 GPH. Experience improved circulation, filtration, and water clarity. This technology also increases negative ions at the water's surface for a better swimming experience. Keep your pool pristine with minimal effort. It's designed for convenience and delivers exceptional water quality, making pool maintenance a breeze. What we like? Upgrade your pool to a saltwater system for cleaner, fresher water with less chemical hassle. Its convenient control panel and self-cleaning modes make operation a breeze. If you're looking for a more natural and cost-effective way to maintain your pool's water quality, this system is an excellent choice. What people say. It is very easy to assemble and use. It does a great job of cleaning the pool. The suction power is surprisingly strong for a battery-powered vacuum. Number 3. Intex 28002E Pool Cleaning Kit. Introducing the Intex 28002E Pool Cleaning Kit, your essential partner for a sparkling clean pool. This comprehensive set makes maintaining your above-ground pool simple and effective. The included vacuum head features a one-piece cleaning design that attaches to your garden hose. It efficiently collects debris and stores it in a reusable bag, ensuring a spotless pool floor. Easily remove floating leaves and other unwanted particles from the water's surface. The durable mesh skimmer net is designed for quick and thorough cleaning. Reach every corner of your pool with the 94-inch telescoping aluminum pole. It's perfectly sized for pools 16 feet in diameter and smaller, offering great maneuverability. This kit is designed for above-ground pools and includes a versatile telescoping pole compatible with both the vacuum and skimmer. Keep your pool pristine all season long. With its suction side operation and user-friendly design, this cleaning kit is a must-have for any pool owner. Enjoy more time swimming and less time cleaning. What we like? This kit provides essential tools for a sparkling clean pool, including a vacuum, skimmer, and telescoping pole. The vacuum attaches to a garden hose, and the skimmer efficiently removes surface debris. If you need a basic, all-in-one solution for manual pool maintenance, especially for smaller above-ground pools, this kit is ideal. What people say. It is a good vacuum for cleaning the pool. The vacuum is easy to assemble and use. Number 2. Intex Krystal Clear 3000 GPH Sand Filter Pump 26651 EG. Experience crystal clear water with our advanced filtration system. Its 6-function valve offers versatile control for filtering, backwashing, and more, ensuring optimal water quality. Enjoy a hassle-free pool season with the built-in 24-hour timer. Set your desired filtration cycles easily, and let it manage the operation automatically for you. Getting started is a breeze. Simply connect the hoses and plug it in. It's designed for seamless integration with most above-ground pools, making setup quick and easy. Spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying your pool. The sand requires minimal maintenance, lasting up to 5 years with simple backwashing, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. Discover the difference with our innovative hydroaeration technology. It enhances circulation and filtration, leading to clearer water and a more refreshing swimming experience. This pump delivers impressive flow rates, ensuring efficient water circulation and filtration for pools of various sizes. Enjoy cleaner water faster. What we like. Experience superior water filtration with this sand filter pump, featuring multiple functions for optimal pool care. The built-in timer ensures easy scheduling for hassle-free operation. If you have a larger above-ground pool and desire robust filtration with minimal upkeep, this pump is a reliable and efficient option. What people say. The vacuum has a built-in rechargeable battery and it is easy to assemble. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver around the pool. The vacuum effectively picks up small debris like sand and dirt. Number 1. EUREKA PowerSpeed Lightweight Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the EUREKA PowerSpeed, a lightweight yet powerful upright vacuum designed for your home. It makes deep cleaning effortless, weighing only 10 pounds. Tackle any surface with ease. Its 5 height adjustment settings allow it to seamlessly transition between carpets and hard floors for a complete clean. Spend more time cleaning and less time emptying. The extra-large 2.6L dust cup means fewer interruptions during your cleaning sessions. Pet owners rejoice. This vacuum comes equipped with specialized tools, including a pet turbo brush, crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool, all conveniently stored on board. Keep it running smoothly with minimal effort. Featuring washable filters and a bagless design, maintenance is simple and cost-free. To ensure optimal performance and prevent potential issues, we recommend cleaning the roller brush and belt every 2 weeks. This prevents clogs and maintains the longevity of your vacuum. What we like. This lightweight yet powerful vacuum offers deep cleaning on both carpets and hard floors. It comes with specialized tools for tackling pet hair effectively. If you need a versatile and easy-to-maneuver vacuum for everyday cleaning, especially if you have pets, this model is a great choice for maintaining a spotless home. What people say. The vacuum is easy to assemble and use. It does a great job of cleaning the pool. The suction power is impressive for a battery-powered vacuum. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.